Alright, here we go. So we're still on 17. And I think we're on 3. I think that's a sprinkler head. Yeah. See, here's a sprinkler head right here. Here's one right here. You want to know what it looks like? They're reading up 17 on mine. Sounds like a dime over here. Can you read this one with that? Come over here and see if you can pick it up. This is a dime. Go like this. Now you gotta go like this. You gotta go like this. Yeah, it's picking it up.
So watch. Now get the stick, the pointer.
Here, let me pinpoint it real quick. Now move that out of the way. So I put it in pinpoint mode. Right there in the middle. So right there, that's where you want to dig. That's where it's at. So you want to dig around like this. Go ahead, give it a shot. You want to dig it out and see what it looks like.
So it was right here, right?
No. Right there. It's about 4 inches down.
Right here. So show Liam how.
Let me see how you dig it out. Dig your plug. I want you to practice your plug. So you know it's in the middle. So you're gonna dig it from here, like that, all the way around.
There's a bee on you. Be careful, it can.
Oh, no, you want to knock it off?
It's around your bum.
Oh. Is it gone?
It's around your back. It's flying around your back.
Just swipe it off. Just swipe it off.
It's over here.
Just don't let it sting me.
It's over here somewhere.
I look like a big flower. Oh, get out of here. I'm not a flower. But you get your pinpointer out too. This may not pick it up. Let's see. No, it's too far down. Alright, I lost it where I had it. I'll dig it out. I'll just show you real quick. Turn this off. Could be a ring too.
Oh, wow.
So 80 is it like use like a silver. So what you do is here's where it's at.
See, watch how he look out at the angle he puts the knife in. See, it kind of slants it a little bit, and he makes a circle. Because you don't want to mess up the grass. You want to put it back nice and neat.
Yeah, like that. And this grass is kind of falls apart on you though. It's real easy. I mean, look what it did. It just kind of disintegrated on me. And then you kind of grab it like this with your pointer. It's still down. It showed it was like 4 inches down, so it could be foil, but it could, or aluminum, I should say. On this one, you can desensitize it, push it once while it's making noise. Now it's showing more over here on this side. Alright, now it should be in this clump, I bet. Nope, it's still not. Still down here.
Is that it?
It's out. It's right here. I knocked it loose. There it is, right there.
Penny.
No, that is a penny. Yeah, it was reading 80, which is kind of interesting on mine. Let me see. Oops, I got it on the wrong thing here. Hold on.
Yeah, 80.
78. Wow, that's a high penny. Is this? I think this is a copper one though. That's probably why.
Copper,
Let's see. This one is not chewed up, so copper rings higher.
It's a nice one.
Yeah.
You see it?
It's probably an older one.
Let's see what it is.
Nothing in here. Yeah,
Yeah,
dimes read up 82 on this thing. Of course, I did lower my power, so I don't know.
It's a 60. 1960.
Yeah, 40, 50, 63 years old.
Yeah.
Not worth a penny. This is worth the penny it's made out of.
I know.
Copper. Alright, so now try doing the plugs like that. This
Yeah.
this grass doesn't have a lot of roots in it, so they kind of falls apart like that. Just try to keep it together. And then when you're done, make sure it looks like you haven't been there so much.
All right.
Tally ho!
So good.
Okay guys, teaching a newbie some new tricks. And don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video. Let's keep on trucking.